This is Alin from Javelin with the third video from the series presenting importing bodies, troubleshooting them, and fixing the errors. In this case, if you remember in the previous video, we manually selected all the open edges, all the blue ones, converted them to sketch geometry and created a planar surface that would fill all the gaps between the surface bodies. What if I would have a magic button that would allow me to select all these edges automatically? Fortunately, my colleague Adam Bridgman created such a macro for me, and on our blog he actually wrote a nice article about the logic behind selecting those open edges. So let's try to create a little macro. I'm just going to go under the Tools menu, Macro, and new. Let's say it's gonna be macro 1, and I'm just gonna replace all this information with the text that he gave me, and let's run it. So I'm just gonna go run, and as you can see, SolidWorks this macro selects all the open edges, all the blue edges. It takes a bit of time because it has to evaluate all the edges inside the part and find the ones that have only one face attached to them instead of having two. So notice another thing, I haven't yet opened a sketch, and I don't intend to open a sketch. What I'm gonna do instead, I'm just gonna hope that all these edges are planar, so I can run the planar surface command directly with these edges pre-selected. As an alternative, I could have started the planar surface directly and run the macro from inside the planar surface. So now I'm just gonna click OK. Notice my pre-selection, it's already listed inside the planar surface property manager. Now I hope SolidWorks is going to be able to find a completely enclosed area, and it did. So as you can see, the planar surface I just created worked nice. So now it's again a matter of knitting all these surfaces together. So I'm going to press again Ctrl A to select all the surface bodies that this command is looking for. Once they are selected, if SolidWorks finds that they form a solid, they actually enclose a complete volume, I'm just gonna turn on the option to try to form a solid. Notice that automatically SolidWorks closes all the little gaps between them. So if I click OK, I should have now a solid. And as you can see, I have a solid body. Thank you, and thanks a lot Adam Bridgman for the macro.